Hey, I'm back. Okay. All right. So probably later today, I'ma go to my people house and stuff like that. You know. But I don't know how I'ma do this, or what I'ma do, or whatever. Okay. So Merry Christmas to y'all, and I'm very, very elated and happy to do this show and everything else and stuff like that. You know, whatever the heck I'm trying to say. You know. All right. So anyway, I gotta wish Kristen a Merry Christmas, my favorite girl. No. I know what some of y'all thinking though. Y'all thinking I have feelings for her and want to be with her and stuff like that and fall in love with her. Oh hell no. Okay. I already know some of you people seen Kristen on my show in previous occasions. Her first episode was in my second season. You know. Okay. So anyway, I'm laughing because of what I'm about to say, you know, poo Kristen. Oh my God, yes indeed, yo. Yep. All right. All right. Never mind all that. I'm about to go get in the shower. Okay. Talk to you on the next one.